Welcome students. Today we will learn my English course book Standard 9th 2.1 poem and the title of the poem is Comparisons. तो चलो फ्रेंड्स अभी पोएम पढ़ेंगे. Fast as a spaceship, slow as a snail, big as a dinosaur, small as a nail, fierce as a tiger, gentle as a lamb, sour as a lemon, sweet as a jam, dry as the desert, wet as the sea, square as a house, round as a pea, cool as a cave, warm as a toast, noisy as a road trill, quiet as a ghost, strong as an ox, weak as kitten, hard as a rock, soft as a mitten, dark as a tunnel, light as the moon, night time, midnight, daytime, noon, tall as a giant, short as an elf, crooked as a mountain path, straight as a shape. The world is full of opposites, so think of some yourself. Students, in this poem, the poet speaks about the common features of two different things by using adjectives to show their shapes, size and temperature. The whole world is full of diversity and all the contrasted things existed on the earth and they help to make the world beautiful and charming. In this poem, the poet applied the simile figure of speech using different objects with suitable adjectives. So let's learn the poem. In the two first line, that is fast as a spaceship, slow as a nail. In this line, the poet speaks about spaceship and snail. Spaceship is so fast and snail is slow. Means here speed is compared. And the simile of the line is as fast as spaceship, as slow as snail. Then in next line, big as a dinosaur, small as a nail. Big like dinosaur and small like our nail. Means the poet compares here the size. As dinosaur is very big in size and our nail is very small. And the simile of the line is as big as dinosaur and as small as nail. In next line, fierce as a tiger, gentle as a lamb. Here the poet compares the character of lion and the character of lamb. As tiger is very dangerous and fearful and lamb is very gentle and poor, and so the simile of the line is as fierce as lion and as gentle as lamb. In next line, sour as a lemon, sweet as a jam. You know student, lemon is sour and jam is so sweet. So here the poet compares the taste of two different things in the world. And the simile of the line is as sour as lemon, as sweet as jam. See the next line, dry as the desert, wet as the sea. From this line, poet compares humidity and temperature of desert and sea. As desert is so hot and so it is dry and sea is wet. So simile of the line is as dry as the desert and as wet as the sea. Then next line, square as a house, round as a pea. The poet imagined that our house is like square and pea is round. Means here the poet make comparison between shape, square and round. And so the simile of the line is as square as a house, as round as a pea. Next line, cool as a cave, warm as a toast. Here the poet make comparison between temperature. Temperature of cave is always cool because it covered with green trees. And when we bake the toast, it is warm and hot. Means the temperature compares here by the poet warm and cool. Okay. And the simile of the line is as cool as cave, as warm as toast. Next line. Noisy as a road drill, quiet as a ghost. Children, road drill is always makes noise, and we find ghost always in inactivity, silence and rest. That means the poet compares the sound here, and the simile of the line is as noisy as road drill and as quiet as ghost. The next line, strong as an ox, weak as kitten. You know, ox is so strong and powerful and kitten is weak, poor. Here the poet compares physical power of two different animals. And so the simile is as strong as an ox, as weak as kitten. Next, hard as a rock, soft as a mitten. Children, in winter season we use hand gloves. Mitten means hand gloves. These are very smooth and soft, and rock is so hard and strong. Here the poet compares touch of two different objects, that is hand gloves and rock. And the simile of the line is as hard as rock, as smooth as mitten. Next line, dark as a tunnel, light as the moon. Children, tunnel is so dark, and when we pass it, it is always full of darkness, and moon is full of light. Here we learn two different concepts, that darkness of tunnel and brightness of moon. And the simile of the line is as dark as tunnel, as light as the moon. Next line, night time, midnight, daytime, noon. Here the poet compares the time of midnight and daytime of noon. Means time is compared by the poet. And the next line, tall as a giant, short as an elf. Elf means small, mischievous child. Here the poet compares the height by saying as tall as giant, as short as elf. Means height is compared here. And so the simile is as tall as giant, as short as an elf. The next line, crook as a mountain path, straight as an shelf. Student, we know mountain path is always going twisted way, and our shelf is straight. Here the poet compares two opposite qualities, twisted and straight. And the simile is as crook as mountain path, as straight as shelf. Last line, the world is full of opposites, so think of some yourself. At last, the poet says that the whole world is full of opposites, so we have to think something good for us. So children, what is the message of the poem? The message of the poem is we have to choose and think something good for our career and life. From the whole poem, the poet expresses diversity of different things from the world by giving number of examples. And now at last he advises us to choose and think something good for you, which makes your future better and better.